we're going to look at 2 chapters of the Quran. But not just as prayers, think of them as spiritual armor. Life throws a lot at us, right? Stuff we see and stuff we don't. So what's your shield?
These 2 chapters are called the Muavvizeteyn. They're meant to be a mental and spiritual armor against our fears. So, this armor has 2 key parts, an outer shield for external threats and an inner fortress. All right, let's start with part 1, that outer shield. We're talking about Surah Al-Falaq.
The big takeaway here, hope always follows the darkness. Evil never, ever gets the last word. And get this, the source calls envy a burning energy, a seriously destructive force to watch out for. Okay, now for the inner battle. Let's look at the fortress we can build with Surah An-Nas.
This is where we meet our inner enemy, El-Hannas, that sly whisperer planting doubt in your head.
And its method is so sneaky. It whispers a negative thought, backs off, then hits you again later.
So Surah An-Nas tells us the real battlefield is your heart. And your best defense, remembering you're not alone.
So what does someone who actually uses this armor look like? Let's break down the profile.
First off, they're not superheroes. They know they're vulnerable and aren't too proud to ask for protection.
Second, they're a realist. They know that bad stuff exists, but they just don't let it paralyze them. Third, they're a sentinel. They stand guard over their own mind and heart against those internal whispers.
And finally, they're a true friend. They avoid that destructive, burning energy of envy we talked about.
Okay, so this whole framework, it's all pointing to one thing, the ultimate safe harbor. It's about knowing exactly where to turn, whether the storm is outside you or inside your own head. This gives us one powerful answer. But it leaves us with a pretty big question. Where's your refuge?